Hello everyone, welcome to the next tutorial of the Nextion Display. In this tutorial we'll see how to use QR code generator using display. So here we have one tool for QR code generator. So this our display is 3.5 inch display and it's vertical display, that's why the editor's working area is also vertical. So we'll configure the QR code here. So if you want to change the QR code on touch release, then you have to program it here. We will send as a text and we'll send the text as a touch release something. Okay, and we'll see how to send the data serially as well. So we'll save the code, compile and debug. Okay, on touch release the QR code generator will generate the code and it will display generated image as you can see here. Okay, now we'll see how to send the data serially and how to change the QR code serially. So this is the Arduino code. Here we are opening the serial port at 9600 and I am using one LED as well after one QR code. So yes, object name is QR0 as you can see here. Object name is QR0, that's why I'm using it here as a QR0. Then take txt is equal to, then we have to use double quote and we have to send the data for what we have to generate the QR code. So yes, this is a frame format as I explained earlier. I am giving a delay for 2 seconds and again I am changing the LED state. Again here I am sending the data as a got change after 2 seconds. Again here I am sending the data after 2 seconds. Again here, and I am trying everything like numericals, special character and ABCD as well. So we'll flash the code into the Arduino. I have Arduino Pro Mini and Nextion 3.5 inch display. So let's flash the display and Pro as well. Let's flash the board with serial connection. We'll select the COM4 as a COM port and we'll hit button go. We'll get this small tiny board with display only. We have two connection, plus 5 volt and ground. We have connected this with the display, so we'll start the display now. Okay, yeah, this is a default QR code we added. On touch release the QR code got changed. We'll interface Arduino Pro Mini with the Nextion display. Yeah, we can connect a power supply onto the Arduino Mini through this connector only. So let's connect 5 volt to the 5 volt of the Arduino Mini and ground, and we'll connect RX. Yes, we'll check the connection RX and TX. So we have to connect RX to the TX of the Arduino and TX of the display to the RX of the Arduino. So this is a cross connection we have to check and we have to do that. We'll connect ground as well. Okay, Let's start the board now. Okay, as I shown you that the QR code will get changed after 2 seconds, so it is getting changed, and LED state also is changing after 2 seconds. You can check the QR code with mobile. Thanks, and subscribe the channel for more videos.